Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to show you 3 different ways to remove Google FRP lock from a reset Samsung phone. Some of these methods may or may not work depending on your Android version, so we will test them honestly and show you the real results. Let's start with a method you see everywhere on YouTube. Open emergency call on the locked Samsung phone. Change the language if needed, then enter the below code. The idea is simple. If this trick works, it should open hidden system settings and let you bypass the Google lock. But here's the truth. On most modern Samsung phones and Android versions, this loophole is already closed. So if nothing happens, that's normal. This method is not very popular on YouTube, but on some Samsung models, it can still work, so it's definitely worth trying. Firstly, we need to get into the settings menu of the locked phone. Depending on your Android version, this can sometimes be accessed through Wi-Fi settings, accessibility options, or system shortcuts. Once inside settings, scroll down and tap About Phone. Then find Build Number and tap it 7 times to activate developer options. Now go back, then open developer options and look for OEM unlocking or device protection. If this option is available and can be turned on, the phone will stop checking the old Google account after reboot. However, here is the important part. On most newer Samsung phones, this option is either hidden or completely blocked after a factory reset. That means for many users, this method will not work, but for older models or specific firmware versions, it can be a surprisingly effective shortcut. So if you can access OEM unlocking here, you're very lucky. If not, don't worry, the next method is much more reliable. Now let's use a tool that was actually built for this problem, iMobie DroidKit. This isn't a trick. It's a real FRP removal solution. Here's how it works. Firstly, install DroidKit on your computer, then open it and select FRP bypass. Now connect your Samsung phone with a USB cable. Then DroidKit will detect your model and Android version automatically. Then click Start Bypass. Now follow the instructions to put the phone into recovery mode. Then click Reset and Confirm. In just a few minutes, DroidKit removes the Google account lock completely. When the phone restarts, it's fully unlocked, no Google verification, no roadblocks. This is why this method has a much higher success rate than the others. If you still remember the Google account that was used on this phone, there's another clean way. Go to myaccount.google.com. Now log in with the Google account. Then click Security, then Your Devices, and then Manage Devices. Now select the locked Samsung phone. Then click Sign Out or Remove Access. This disconnects the Google account from the phone remotely. After restarting the device, the FRP lock may be gone. So now you've seen the difference between internet tricks and real working solutions. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe for more Android tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.